this is the basic part of the engine bay area, and I hope this will help somebody, because I've had several friends who tried to put fluid on their car, and then either they put it in the wrong place, and they ended up like putting the wrong fluids in the wrong area. So I'm just going to go over the basic views of the major fluid you should put on your engine bay area, and maybe it helps somebody not to put the wrong thing in the wrong place. So I'll start with this guys right here. This sign means this is washer fluid, and this normally it's blue in color, almost all cars. I'm just doing this for a Mercedes, and I'll show you another car too. And then the second part here guys is engine oil. This is a sign you'll see on most of these engine oil cups. Another one guys which you should pay attention to is this right here. This is where the coolant goes for the car. So you have coolant, this is the reservoir for it. So normally make sure you put it through here, because I know the old cars you put the coolant through the radiator. It has like a cup on the radiator, but this most modern cars have a separate coolant reservoir. So guys, this is where your coolant goes for the car, for the engine. This is where your engine oil goes, and this is where your washer fluid goes, which normally used to wipe the windshield. Right there. It just normally goes here. So please don't put a wrong thing right here. So in the same Mercedes we have a power steering fluid. This one doesn't have a label on it, but it's normally just down here next to the pump. And then one final one for the Mercedes guys is the brake fluid. The brake fluid goes right here. So normally you just read, normally the cup has some information. The sign right there might tell you that, or it just has the information that use a brake fluid .4. So you use that to identify the major parts. Maybe one last thing, this is for checking the engine oil level, so you can use that. That's just by the way. Guys, let's go over to another car. I'll show you guys, and then I'll explain if they are similar or they're different. Okay. Alright guys, this is a Land Rover Range Rover. It's a Range Rover 2014, but applies to almost all Range Rovers. Right here you have the coolant. It has the same sign, which looks like the one we just showed you earlier, and goes further in to explain what color fluid you should put inside. So this is the coolant. Okay, next here we have the hydraulic or power steering. It goes right in here. And then we have the brake fluids, normally here for most cars, especially which you drive on the right. Normally next to the driver should be somewhere there. So if you're looking to fill up your brake fluid, you do that. And then right here guys, you can see the washer fluid is the same color, it's blue. So it should be easy to identify and should be easy to put it in. So one more thing, we have the oil, the engine oil. It has the same sign right there. That's for the oil for the car. So I hope that really helps you guys not to put the wrong things in the wrong places. And then this is the oil filter. It should apply to the other types of cars. And I hope that's the basics for today guys. I hope it helps somebody, and drive safe. Bye.